Oh man. Trying to sell this phone. Here's the F for it.
iPhone 6?
7?
6. It's the iPhone 6. Nothing I can do with it.
You bought gold?
Yeah.
Silver?
No silver.
Gold and silver together? You buy
Gold and silver don't go together.
So what is that?
Not really. Probably
Not real. That's definitely real.
Steel.
That's not steel. That is real. That's real.
Okay.
Stand by, man. You don't know what the fuck you talking about. This is
right.
not fake ring. This is the real ring.
You ain't gotta get offensive.
Yeah, but you ain't defending y'all. I can't wear fake jewelry to tell you my shit green.
It's steel.
It's not steel. It's
right.
fucking real. How the fuck you know it's steel?
I don't know what I'm
It's
talking
theft.
about. You're right.
It's theft.
Okay. Good.
Great. So how you gonna say it's steel when it's theft? You know what the fuck you be talking about?
Right. You know better than me.
If it's theft, if it's a motherfucking shit that's theft all around it, and then it got the marking on it.
Okay.
How the fuck is it? How you gonna tell me
You
it's
know
fake?
better than me. It's your ring. I don't know shit, dude.
So why you say it's fake then? If you don't know, why would you say it's fake then? If you don't know that it's real, why would you tell me that it was
Why you
fake?
getting loud with me?
Because bro, you acting ignorant as fuck, nigga.
I'm acting ignorant.
Yes, well, you being ignorant, man.
Better watch your ring.
Fucking ignorant motherfucker.
Have a nice day.
Your ass, nigga, it's gonna be a wreck for you.
I'm here. I'm here till 7.
Okay.
Come through.
I will. I
Come
will.
through.
You know who the fuck I am?
I don't care who you are.
What the fuck is wrong with you, bruh? I'll catch you outside this bitch. I promise you, bruh. I promise you.
Be here.
I will.
Be here. I'm here.
It ain't gonna be me, but I bet you.
Right.
It's gonna catch you.
Right.